In this video, I'm going to try to take a dropshipping store from $0 to $1,000. On day one, I started looking for a cool product to sell, and so for the product, I tried to look for it on TikTok. Now, a ton of dropshipping gurus will tell you to search up things like TikTok made me buy it, but I have now found a more efficient way to find dropshipping products on TikTok by literally going in and searching up keywords like Apple offered me 5 million, or this product doesn't work, or any other dropshipping viral hooks. This is the best method because you get a ton of cool dropshipping products, but you can decide if you want to sell. And none of those Amazon or Walmart products that actually don't give great sales. And that's why after I did this, I found a ton of products on TikTok that were already being dropshipped by other people and potentially making them income. And that is how I found this neck massager. I decided to sell this product because I saw quite a few people already were selling this product, doing TikTok organic. And not a lot of people were using paid ads to go ahead and get the same sales. So I decided to utilize this gap in the market and go ahead and make some money. So I went to AliExpress and boom, it was right there. It was literally sitting there waiting for me to dropship it. But it had a slight problem. It was a 30-day delivery product, meaning I will have to deal with some chargebacks, probably from some angry customers, asking for their refund back. And after searching for an alternative, I decided that it really didn't matter. This is simply me testing the product and seeing if it's going to be profitable or not. And so with all that done, I went on to Shopify, set up the entire website with a decent .com domain, set up the payments and a whole bunch of Shopify backend stuff. Then I imported the product from AliExpress into Shopify. And then it came time to work on the website pages. I used these templates to build what I thought would be a high quality website that will go ahead and convert as sales. This is what the website looked like after I have made it, and I think it looked pretty good. It was now time for me to get the ads for the product and make sure that they were going to work. So I ordered a TikTok package deal, paid them so they could go ahead and create the ads for me, and then I ran those ads. Then I filled in all the information I needed to film the video. Then after that, I waited for like 2 to 3 days until they finished making my ad. And then when they were done, I was able to use these ads to market on TikTok. They're basically like an agency that creates ads for you, and these are the ads that they had actually made. I think these are nice ads, and as you guys can see, they did convert a decent amount of people to my website. I was going with the CBO campaign strategy for this product. If anyone was wondering why I was going about things this way, it's because I had a broad product that anyone would enjoy, because I was confident in the entire funnel, from the product to the website and the ads. I was sure that I would come up profitable and tried to make sure everything was done as perfectly as possible. So all in all, I pumped in a decent amount of money for the ads for the week and actually came home with about $5.6 thousand in actual real revenue. But that's not 100% profit. So the actual profit was actually about $1.4 thousand, which is a 25% profit margin, which is not the best, but it's pretty decent. If you guys enjoyed this and want more like this, don't forget to subscribe and like.